Hi, I'm Julie. Welcome back to Read Life. Today we are at the Embassy Suites Miami International Airport Hotel, and we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of a standard 2 double bed suite. So coming into the room, you've got the sitting area. There is a chair, a pull-out sofa, and then there is also a dining area with 4 chairs.
It's got a ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan.
Kind of an old-timey TV. It's a flat screen, but it's not very flat in the back.
And our view out this window, you can see down into the lobby atrium area.
Standard Embassy Suites setup.
So heading out of the seating area, on your right there actually is a closet. It's got a little bit of hanging space. It's got your ironing board and your iron. And then over here we've got sort of the bar area, sanitized for my safety, yet one of these has apparently been tasted prior to our arrival, so I don't think we'll be messing with any of that. In these bins, you've actually got your lids and little thermal sleeves for the to-go cups. Creamers, sugars, sweeteners, and then a selection of coffees and tea.
Rainforest blend, decaffeinated. No interest.
Down below, there is a nice sized refrigerator. Does actually have a little freezer section. And then over here you've got a little mini microwave and your safe in the bottom, and it does look like the safe is probably big enough for a laptop.
It is very dark, so sorry that we cannot actually show that.
And then we'll move into the standard old school Embassy Suites bedroom, where the sink and vanity, there's one out here.
It always creeps me out having this little sink and vanity in the actual room. It's just really weird and old-timey to me.
See, I like it with extra people. I like the extra sink and being able to have 2 people doing things at the same time.
It does make sense, but it's still weird to me.
Another old-timey TV.
Yeah, I think that's maybe a 32 or could be even a 27. I don't know. It's pretty small.
There is lots of drawer space. If you have a lot of stuff that you want to unpack, you should have plenty of drawer space. And then over here you've also got a very large wardrobe that also has a lot of hanging space and your laundry bags.
And actually 7 hangers. Not too bad.
So actually a pretty nice view out this window. You actually have the
It's fairly dirty.
yeah, well, the pool and hot tub.
Okay, I didn't even realize we were backing up to that. Not bad.
It'll be interesting to see if they're actually doing anything out by the pool and hot tub that makes some noise at night. It's Saturday night on a holiday weekend, so I'm sure if they are, we will find out. And then we've got your 2 double beds.
4 pillows per bed, so if you like a lot of pillows, the Embassy Suites has got you covered. And a phone. There's a phone, another phone here. Does anybody ever use these anymore? I certainly don't. I don't even want to touch them.
So one thing you will notice about this room is there is not a lot of power outlets and 0 USB ports. So if that's something you need to be able to plug things in, then I suggest you bring something with a multi-port capability.
And just a pro tip, don't trust USB ports that are in hotels and places where other people can access them, because that is one way that you actually can be hacked. Fine for charging only, but no smartphones.
All right, so here's the bathroom. The regular bathroom vanity. It's got plenty of towels.
It's like a hair dryer down there.
Hand towels. There's a hand dryer.
Hair dryer.
Everything you need. I'm drying my hands with it.
Behind the door.
Is the toilet.
Toilet.
If the door is opened while you're doing your business, you will get hit by the door.
Definitely.
You know, really old shower bathtub combination, but it'll get the job done.
Looks clean.
I do appreciate that they have Neutrogena French milled bath soap.
Yeah, not bad. I'm looking forward to that. And just Neutrogena products, period. Not bad. Although I do see a hair over there by the...
We're here for one night. It'll be great. But yeah, I mean, it's a convenient location. If you need to do something in Miami, we're actually heading out to a cruise ship, so it's convenient for us. People that are flying in, it is directly next to the airport, and there is actually airport parking attached to the hotel. So that might be something that's good to know if you're driving in and flying out or meeting someone here. So.
And also, it is really nice. We were able to check in early and utilize the Hilton digital key feature. So I was able to download the digital key on my phone prior to arriving and actually use it to allow us to get into the paid parking. And parking, self-parking is $21 a night, but it's really nice not having to deal with any sort of coupons and tickets and keeping track of that stuff, because I'm always stressed that I'm going to lose that.
And not having to go to the front desk at all.
Exactly. Yeah, we went directly to the room, no issues whatsoever, and everything worked. So even though it's an old hotel with old school televisions, it does have digital key, and it works great.
And it does look like they have put in new carpet and new drapes, actually.
Yeah, the carpet actually is in pretty good condition. So, all right, I think that's about it. Any other last thoughts, Julie?
All right. Apparently this door doesn't close very well. That's okay.
Yep, here one night.
Standard Embassy Suites. It is what it is. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.
Oh, one other last thing. It does appear that the free reception with free drinks and some sort of snacks appears to be going on right now, which some Embassy Suites do not do that on weekends, but looks like they do it here. So that's it.
All right. Well, if you want to learn more and hear about more places where we're going and staying, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, because we've got some exciting things coming up over the next few days, so you don't want to miss it. See you next time.
Thanks. Bye.